What's up guys, TJ got Kicks89 here, back with another review exclusively for you. Today we have got a shoe review from a brand that is on a resurgence. We're not really sure where they are right now, but this is an old pair of Adrian Lopez AL50s. So this is, I think, one of the most popular Adrian Lopez or Circa models of all time. I got this from a guy in Carousel. Didn't have the box, but he had the tissue paper that it came with, and the same Circa sticker that came in the recent Adrian Lopez 805 retros. So just a quick review of the shoe. It is essentially just a takedown model, a really cheap model of Adrian Lopez's for Adrian Lopez. But in 2013, 2015, this was one of the most popular models from Circa because it was, along with 205 Volk and other Volk models, the resurgence of the Volk fade or trend at that time really called upon brands having staple Volk models such as this. So a very simple shoe, obviously, mostly nubuck for this part and suede for this part. You have some perforations on the toe. You've got triple stitching on the toe cap, on that suede toe cap. You have like a Circa pattern for the bumper, for the front toe bumper. Black piping on the Volk, top part of the Volk sole. You've got metal eyelets, which the laces, the white oval laces go through. They don't come with spare laces, but the laces do have tips. You can just see Circa just right there. The tongue is decently padded. I love that it's kind of like a mid-puff for today's standards. It's white tongue, which is just full mesh, and you've got the AL50 logo, Lopez 50 logo on the top there, similar to most of his other shoes. And for this specific shoe, you don't have like a clean sidewall, but you do have a rubberized Circa logo just right there. The metal eyelets, I said, were white with Circa logo. At the back you have the same nubuck, and for the heel patch with the Circa logo there, you have a suede patch. And the same thing that you get on this side, you get on this side, except here you get two ventilation holes, metal ventilation holes pressed into the actual shoe itself. On the inside you get a white heel collar, heel lining, so to speak, and you have a black sock liner just right there with the Adrian Lopez AL50 logo. And this sits atop a Volk midsole, like I said, with Circa branding in the back there. I really like that Circa Gothic logo. It adds a nice touch to the shoe. And the Circa Flex, I think this is the Flex, FLX Volk sole, basically, with the inverted Circa patterns and some herringbone patterns with Circa branding just right there on the middle of the shoe, middle of the sole, and at the top of the shoe, just right there, sorry. So that's basically just the AL50, a very simple shoe, a takedown model, and I believe this is a staple in Circa's lineup, and it will always be around. Kudos to Lopez for designing this shoe, because yeah, it's gonna be around. It's kind of like the Janoski for Circa, and I believe this will be the shoe that takes Circa to different heights in the future. So that's basically it, the AL50 from Circa. TJ got Kicks89, a quick run through of this shoe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.